Alright, you guys, so I had to get a new key made for the Mazda. So I'm going to sit here, and I also picked up some key fobs because I was told I can program key fobs to this car without anything special. So we're going to attempt to program these two remote fobs so I can at least unlock and lock it if I happen to lose my keys or something along those lines. My key in the ignition. I'm going to close this door. Watch out, buddy. You're going to close this door. You're going to take the key out of the ignition. You're going to open the door, and I don't know if this is how you're supposed to actually do it, but this is what I found online. You're going to go ahead and take your key, you're going to put it back in the ignition. Now you've got 24 seconds to do this procedure. Turn the key to on 3 times. Okay? After you turn the key to on 3 times, you're going to push this button 3 times till it's flush. You'll hear your doors unlock twice. Then you hit the lock button on your key fob. And then after you hit the lock button on your key fob, you're going to hit that button one more time to signal it. Now, that being said, we have a system here. And they work. You hit unlock twice. Sorry guys, I've lost my voice, but you hit the unlock twice, it unlocks all the doors, and you hit lock once and it's solid. So now we have the keys wired in to them. Now we'll finish putting the interior back together and get this thing ready to finish up the lights and finish that video for you guys. You guys, so that was a quick how-to get your key fobs done. I bought my fobs off of eBay for like 20 bucks for the pair. So we'll get it rolling. And then we'll my little helpers. Oh, look at it. Anyways, we're gonna get the lights working. I gotta get the dash put back together. Gonna finish that video for you. And I'm starting to lose my voice again. So with that, thanks for watching, y'all. God bless.